Hi, this is a short lecture on week 7. It's the peer review week. For week 6, you read about the writing process, and writing is iterative, and how you can write sections at a time. All right, so for this week, we're going to talk about the peer review process. Remember, October 12th is when the final polished version of Project 1 is due. And there's no grace for major assignments. You have extension policy if you want to use that, okay? And here's how to do peer reviews. And in the extra credit link I have for peer reviews, it provides the policy on how to do that. Or not the policy, the instructions. Okay, I'll just open that real quick and we'll look at it. Peer reviews are due. And peer reviews are due Wednesday the 8th, so people have time to revise. And here's how to do it, how to save the file, this peer review. Here's how to insert comments. I also have this on the home page as an announcement. Okay, this is about peer reviews, how to do it. Let's go to announcements real quick. Word features to use. These are links to word features you should be using. The style sheet, this lets you set up your headings and subheadings in a document, so they're all the same constantly. How to insert a page break. Now, you don't just keep hitting enter, because if something changes, it throws everything off. So you use the insert page break feature. I want everybody to use the editor feature. I should not find surface errors. When I read something, I have Grammarly, and Grammarly points everything out, or I can just use the editor feature in Word. So those are technology for the checkers, all right? So you know how you're going to do the peer review for our weekly assignment. Again, you're going to read about the peer review process. It's a short week because you have Project 1 due. So you're going to read Chapter 10 and howdy or hello. You're going to do your discussion post. If you're going to do your peer review, it's going to be due Wednesday, Sunday the 12th. Okay, be sure to change your file name from draft to final. Same thing, last name, first name, final. All right, that's all I have for this. Like I said, it's a very, very short lecture, short week. Week 8, we're going to be starting the next project, which is finding a real-world career document and do a review of it. Well, you've already done a review, and I've posted a student sample of a real good review. All right, and then plus we're going to be doing other readings. That's all. Have a good week. Bye.